we have the program in Spanish and in English. So the class is not how to torch, how to teach you how to torch, but how to recognize the hazardous areas, what to look for up on the roof. They will learn how to properly handle the torches, the safe application, and overall the safety with the personal protective equipment, the propane, the type of fire extinguishers, the distance of the fire extinguishers from the open flame, and demonstrate the safe working practices.